Now with Avid Everywhere, our vision is to connect content creators with their audiences in the most powerful, efficient, and profitable ways. Today, this is a reality with the introduction of the Avid MediaCentral Platform, which provides the efficiency of a single underlying technology platform spanning content creation all the way through distribution. Layering on top of the platform is a set of powerful modular application suites for creating, storing, and managing your media. Now in this demo, we're going to show you how Avid Everywhere and the Avid MediaCentral Platform enable fast, collaborative news production. We're going to explore how field crews can be even more productive by completing entire packages remotely with Media Composer and the News Cutter option, and Media Composer Cloud. Now, as we know, news happens continuously, and competitive news teams track and cover multiple stories as they unfold. I'm going to be heading out on a new assignment with a videographer to get some B-roll for a completely different story. It's going to be an ice storm which has just hit, and it's messing up traffic in a big way. The news producer wants to get this story on our website and social media sites before the noon broadcast. They also need to create a segment for this show, so they need to begin getting content back to the newsroom and collaborating with the other folks. Now they've connected through a local internet connection access point, such as a Starbucks or even at a hotel. We can create a complete story anywhere. You simply connect to your iNews story. You can see within the interface in Media Composer, there's the NRCS tool. Once I bring up the story that I want to work with a single click, this tool seamlessly transfers valuable information into the sequence and creates my editing bin. I begin editing some content into my sequence, but I also need some other content that may be back at the station or in another work group. So we'll bring up the interplay window, and let's go ahead and take some snowfall, some ice storm from Atlanta, and we're going to drag that into our bin as well. It then pulls that information out of the interplay window and puts it into the project that I'm working on. I can search multiple interplay production systems and work groups across my entire network or station group, regardless of location. And with our new Media Index search tool, this gives me that ability. In this case, the footage that I'm pulling is from our sister station hundreds of miles away in Atlanta. Now I find the footage about the ice storms, and I want to take those and add them into my sequence as well. We also have a nice graphic that was created with breaking news. Now this is a QuickTime file, so I'm going to link using AMA to my breaking news movie. Here it is. I want to take this now and cut that into my sequence. Now this is a local file that I've linked to directly using Avid Media Access. Here's our breaking news. We're going to cut that into the beginning because this is breaking news of the ice storm. And you'll also see that it's purple. You can color code your AMA clips to know which clips in your sequence are linked using Avid Media Access. So look, here it is. I'm mixing local footage to my laptop. I have some footage here from Connecticut and also some ice storm from Atlanta, all in the same sequence. And once I'm done with my sequence, I can send the edited footage and other raw clips back so everyone can access the media through MediaCentral UX. So I can turn on a remote sync for my sequence so any media that I start cutting in can be sent up at a proxy, a high quality, or a proxy, then high quality. It'll actually queue up all of the elements in my sequence and send it up over Wi-Fi back to the station for everyone to be able to use. In fact, the footage has already started to be uploaded as I was editing. And when seconds count, I can always choose to send a broadcast quality low-res proxy first at faster than real-time speed to make certain that the footage is ready for air. And then the high-res versions will automatically follow. In addition to uploading the video, all of the information and metadata from Media Composer Cloud is available to everybody who's on the Interplay environment. And while the upload and transcoding are happening in the background, I can begin working on my next story.